Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is the last few days of March and the beginning of spring. So has spring arrived in your country yet? In where I live in Singapore. It's basically summer all year round, so there's not much of a spring. But still, to welcome spring, I am wearing a bright yellow shirt. My face is completely bare. I just cleaned my face, and I'm gonna put on all my March favorites in skincare and makeup. So with March favorites, it doesn't mean that all of them are products released in March or new products. Could be old faves, but yeah, these are the products that I use the most in the last month. But before revealing all my favorites for this month, have you subscribed to my channel? Click the button below if you haven't. So let's get into it. This is my toner from Pixi, Rose Tonic. Just very refreshing. This is the first step. Fresh kombucha facial essence. This is the second bottle I've repurchased. It's anti-pollution, just smooths out and gives a little bit of brightness to the skin. And actually, since last month, I went to eat black pepper crab in Singapore, and my skin has been very mad at me, and it's been breaking out, like a few breakouts in the lower part of my face. And when that happens, I use the Glow Recipe pineapple serum. This actually is being discontinued, so this will be the last few drops that I have, literally. So yeah, I'm kind of looking for a replacement too. This brightening vitamin C serum. I know they have like a new version with the guava, but I don't know, I'm kind of used to the pineapple one, even though the reviews are not stellar. It's okay, but not stellar. Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA AHA serum. Again, this is also for my pimple skin. It's a very light strawberry smell. Very lovely. And you feel a tiny bit of stinging, very little, not much. But for me, that's the sign that something is like doing the work and clearing your skin. I would leave like maybe at least like 20 seconds between each step, but since I'm doing this on camera right now and I cannot pause for too long between each step, so and I would apply eye cream first, like in between the steps, to give some time for these serums to absorb. So usually I like to massage my eyes like this, like around about 30 times. So more is better, but not less than 30 times. But today is less because again I'm doing this in front of the camera, so I'm just showing you. Lastly, I love this Innisfree Cherry Blossom Brightening Cream. This is actually the jelly version. It's so great for Singapore. So during the summer for the rest of the world, this will be so great. It's just has this perfect springy smell to it, very fresh. It's just really perfect for spring. And then this is a new find. This is the same series as you can see, Innisfree, also Cherry Blossom. But this is the Skin Fit Tone-up Cream with SPF 50 plus. I love this. Like, it really smooths out any imperfection in the skin. This is so good. Use some on my neck too. Yeah, so when the sun is stronger, I probably would not trust this as like the only sunscreen I'll use. I'll probably add a proper sunscreen on top, but today is a cloudy day. There has been a lot of like rainy days in Singapore, raining non-stop, so I've been using it quite a bit, like in cloudy days, and it's perfect. I'll put on the primer. I've been using the Gucci mattifying primers a lot, and yeah, so I'll actually do the cloud makeup trend right now, and this is about blending the mattifying primer with a matte foundation, so that will create a cloudy, velvety, smooth skin. I use the YSL All Hours Foundation with a matte finish. And because it's spring, I will use a pink, I'll put on a pinkish brown brow mascara. It's a product from Japan, but I don't know the brand. It's like, yeah, there's an MM on the bottle, but yeah, I threw the packaging away a long time ago, so not bad, right? Like the Cloud Skin Foundation, mattifying primer plus matte foundation, so it becomes a soft matte. I've been terrible because like usually people just keep, you know, these like beautiful designer makeup for at least a longer time, take plenty of, you know, like flat lay photos and product photography before they actually use it. But I'm like, I could not help taking in, and then I'm like, yeah, at this rate I'll finish it in no time. but yeah, I'm still gonna do it because yeah, this is indeed one of my new March product and a March favorite. So with this shade, I feel like, yeah, there's this Easter vibe to this. So yeah, nothing too complicated, nothing, it's very easy to use. Like, you just put all the colors on your eyelids and it will come out well. This is that type of palette. Beautiful spring collection from Chanel this year, 068. Do this time. Yeah, so honestly, I feel that this product is perfect. This is the from Kiss New York, the lash glue liner. So you do the eyeliner and the lash glue in one. So you put the false eyelashes on and it just sticks on for the whole day for me. And as you can see, I don't even use like eyelid primer. This has been my long-time favorite. I bought it last year, and see, I have a little pan. I almost never pan makeup. So what I like to do is, yeah, I have big cheekbones here, so try to minimize the look of my cheekbones and my jawline. Next is my favorite, really my favorite buy from February, and I've been using it yeah, almost every day. The NARS Orgasm blush quad. So I tend to use this one and this one. And I love that the highlighter just looks so pretty. And since I have a full face of makeup, I'll just use the Summer Friday Lip Butter Balm. This is unexpectedly good for me. It's so hydrating. It literally lasts for at least half a day. Even after lunch, like even after eating a meal, I could still feel the hydration there, and it just gives the very beautiful flush of color. Only very small downside for me, this poppy shade, is that it has very tangy, reminds me of my vitamin C drink kind of taste. So this is only a very small downside. I don't mind it so much, but I would prefer it if it's in another like dessert flavored. The shade in Vanilla Beige, it has a vanilla flavor, so I think I'll try that one. But in terms of color, application, it even has a slight plumping effect. I think this one is perfect and really worth the price. I was not sure if it's worth like the 21 euros that I paid, but worth it. And then the next step, I would enhance my cloud makeups, my cloud skin by using the blurring foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. Usually if it wasn't for my very angry skin this month and the last month, I would always forget to use this setting powder, but since there's like a lot of a few pimple scars here, this step has been very important to blur the imperfections, and it's very helpful. The last step, setting spray, is also something that I constantly forget, but I should not forget because it really gives you a flawless finish, and it locks in hydration and the makeup. Well, I hope you enjoy today's March favorite episode. Have you spotted any favorites from my selection? What is your favorite products of the month? Share with me below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe. Then thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.